First navigate to the file and select open. Select this first image, hit open. Now take the clone stamp tool, set hardness to 10%, then go to window and choose clone source. Enable flip horizontal option, change the angle to 0.5 degrees, hide this panel. Now hold the Alt button and left click to sample the edge of the eye. Take a new layer. Now use this clone source like this. Let's see the final result. Continue the same process for the second image. Go to the file and choose open. Select the second image, click open. Press Ctrl+ to zoom in. Now take the clone stamp tool, set the brush hardness to 10%. Now open window and select the clone source. Enable the flip horizontal, change the angle to 0.5 degrees. Hold Alt button and left click to sample the edge of the eye. Take a new layer. Now fix the opposite eye like this. Let's see the final result.